Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. In a single moment, we do not leave behind the purpose of our heart essence. A heart essence that is self-luminous is an unmoving transmission. We do not move away from this dominion that is beyond thought. We use a self-originating and unmoving compassion to teach a path of freedom to the dominion of living things. As for the sky, it is eternal and unchanging. The self-originating secret is the magnificent sky. It is unimpeded and is beyond all our thoughts. It is beyond our thought and is beyond all consciousness. The total luminosity of our awareness is smooth and has no position. We do not harbor any clinging to the delivery of our ideas, but as we do not hunt and do not move, it is through a self-originating secrecy that does not move that we know every consciousness in our thoughts, with none excepted. Our instructor is the sky and is without dust. He cuts through the nets of this world. There is no one else. The pure dominion that is self-originating is beyond all the filth of our thought. Our wisdom is truly an essence that is remote. The emergence of our desire may shine in any way. We have no side or position. Our uncontrived hearts exhaust our thinking. Whatever it may be, this is totally pure. We have touched the end of a dominion that is beyond consciousness. As we use our intellect to be mindful, it is our own intellect that frees us from all these things. We have reached the end. Our wisdom is luminous. In the transmission of the mind, there is no duality. Ideas that grasp at duality are turned backwards. Any specific thoughts may occur within the self-originating wisdom that is beyond our cravings. We look for an essence to this self-originating clarity, while our basic purpose is beyond the extreme of any absence of awareness. This is pure. It is the bodhicitta. Misunderstandings may be created, but this is spontaneously realized. We have no cravings. This is the way that it is. We do not cling to any union with the dominion of wisdom. We employ a secret circle that pervades all things, so there is nothing that we do not pervade.